April.
And I'm Megan.
And we're health educators from Weller Health Education at the Lehigh Valley Health Network, Riley Children's Hospital. And this 2023 to 2024 school year, we are launching the second part of Project Safe and Smart, the Smarter Parents, Safer Kids workshop, which is a parent and caregiver-focused child sexual abuse prevention program. This workshop is for parents and caregivers who have a child or children between the ages of 2 and 12 years old. During the workshop, while using a parent handbook that we will be giving to the parents and caregivers, we will teach the parents and caregivers what healthy sexual development looks like for their children, how to effectively communicate with their children, and how to keep their children safe via a safety plan.
Parents and caregivers will have the opportunity to practice skills and apply information they learn through role-play scenarios and discussion throughout the workshop. Sessions will be offered in person and virtually starting in January 2024. And to view the session schedule and to register for the workshops, please check out our website at lvhn.org/Weller, and the link to the website can be found in the video description. And if you have any questions, you can email us at wellerhealth@lvhn.org. And thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you at one of our workshops.